Hi friends, I am Debaritya. It's my channel, DLD the Technical Gamer. So I will going to show you how to set ringtone in Moto G3. First you have to download ES File Explorer. You can find it in Play Store. My net isn't high, so it's not showing so fast. So you download it from Play Store and then go to it. Then you can see there are many options. Then you can see your internal storage. First go to music. After going to music, search any of the song. I have searched so you can find, if you want you can select any. So friends, you can see the song, but you have to but you cannot do from it there. If you want to listen any song, then you can only just do from the music app. But if you want to download, keep it as a ringtone, then you have to do from media player this time only. Then go to see, there you can see a set ringtone, tap it and set ringtone. After doing so friends, you can see that there is the fixed. If you want to see, if you want to check, then call from another mobile, and you can see the ringtone is there. You can only do it from if you have these songs in your device. If you have like these two music or any app, downloaded app from downloading temporarily for the app, then you cannot set it as a ringtone. Thank you friends, thank you for watching. Please, if you like this video, then please like and subscribe. And if you want to see about the many games and videos like this, then go to my channel and see them. And if you again then like it and subscribe it. Thank you for watching.